Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have two fold-out cup holders with armrests, and then in the middle here you have two more with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, and driver assistance features. And then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance again. And you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off with a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, a locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet with this compartment up here for more storage. Then down below you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as being collapsible so that you can have more open space here. 2 cup holders, your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside including another USB and USB-C. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.